Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best hose nozzles in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Ottoman Garden Hose Nozzle ABS Water Spray Nozzle with heavy-duty 7 adjustable watering patterns, slip-resistant for watering plants, lawn and garden, washing cars, cleaning, showering pets, and outdoor fun. 7 AGUSTABL watering patterns. Each carefully selected pattern has a unique purpose, and each sprayed pattern will meet all of your watering needs. To change patterns, simply twist the nozzle. Turn the spray nozzle dial to choose appropriate pattern easily with a faucet on the handle. Premium material. The spray nozzle is made of durable yet ultra-lightweight ABS plus TPR. Easy to grip, slip-resistant, and comfortable fit, and the ergonomic rubberized pistol grip for comfortable use. That's all standard suitable for all standard garden hoses with 3/4 diameter garden hose thread GHT. Perfect for watering your garden, lawn, grass, and flower beds. Great for washing your car, showering dogs and pets, cleaning your room / deck / floor / window, and outdoor fun. Number 2. NAV8 Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer Heavy Duty. Features 10 spray patterns. The MB control on-off valve for easy water control. High pressure garden hose nozzle heavy duty. Nozzle for hose outdoor. Thumb control design. This nozzle was designed to operate effortlessly simply by pushing the switch up with your thumb to turn it on and control the water flow. Stop overtaxing those fingers by squeezing trigger handles. This nozzle will have zero strain on your fingers and will prevent arthritis pain. Ergonomic pistol grip. The soft rubberized no-slip grip makes this sprayer comfortable to hold for long periods of time. Don't get your hand burnt when grabbing one of those bare metal nozzles that were left in the sun on a hot summer day. Neither should your hands freeze in pain when holding them on a cold winter day. This molded rubber nozzle with its ergonomic design has an insulated grip and is comfortable in hand. Number 1. The Relaxed Gardener Watering Wand. 15. Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer 8 adjustable spray patterns and thumb-controlled shut-off valve. No worry hand strain from trigger-operated nozzles. Our one-touch thumb-operated on/off switch also adjusts the strength of the water flow. Perfect for people with arthritis or disabilities. The only hose nozzle you need. The multi-pattern head has the right setting to use for each task. Different settings include mist, flat, full, shower, soaker, cone, center, and stream. No need to switch nozzles between tasks. Strong but gentle. Gentle enough to mist new seedlings. Strong enough to power through a tough cleaning job or wash your car. Water your hanging baskets, clean your bird bath or patio, and then give the dog or cat a bath. Superior performance. Slip-resistant handle and lightweight professional-grade aluminum construction make this wand comfortable to use. Best nozzle length for home and garden chores. Long enough to reach hanging baskets but easy to store.